Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to this new investment website which has a lot of features. One of the features about this investment website is actually allow multiple deposits, multiple currency deposits, same for the withdrawal, automatic investment, email notification, and I really have full control over this particular website. You can see this is actually the home page of the website. You can see have your logo right there, have the home page, multiple page websites. You can see the about us, the contact us page, and all of that. So this is actually how the home page of this website is. As you can see, it's actually beautiful content. Everything about this particular website has already been added for you. So you don't need to do anything. You just need to modify, change your logo, and that's it. So the next part now is to actually log in to this particular site so you can actually see how the dashboard is. Alright, now to log in, just have to put your username or your password. This is the login page, this is the registration page. I already have an account, so I don't need to actually create another account. I'll just log in my account. Click on login. Okay, my username right there, and you log in. Alright, as you can see, this is actually the dashboard of the website. When you actually log in, it takes you straight to this dashboard. We're going to be starting from the first tab, which right here, which is this is the dashboard. Then we're going to move on to the fund wallet, then straight down. Alright, now let me show you from this dashboard. This part right here is to deposit. Deposit this investment. This part is your investment, total balance of the investment you have made. And this is your account balance, your total deposit. This is where your account will be if it's active or inactive. This euro sign that is showing right here is actually the currency you select when you are registering the site to show right here. Then this profit part is the part where all your profits actually be. Okay, market prices. This actually current price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Same with this other part. Then this other part here, this is where all your trade history will be. All right, let me start from fund wallet. Let's click on that. All right, you can see this is the fund wallet part. That's to deposit. You can see you can deposit with Ethereum or Bitcoin, wherever you actually want to use. For this one, I'm going to be using Ethereum for that. Click on Ethereum. Take you straight to this part. As you can see, your current balance is right there. The method I choose is Ethereum. Then this address right here, which can actually be set from the admin. So just let me say I want to deposit $100 worth of Ethereum. Click on submit deposit request. Okay. Okay, deposit request submitted successfully. Just click on okay. As you can see. Then if I go straight to the admin, let me log in the admin so I can actually approve that and it will automatically reflect on my balance. Okay, this is actually the admin side. All you just need to do is to include the admin details. admin@me.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this part will actually be your site URL/admin. Take it to that place. Then when I log into the admin dashboard, this will take it to I can see total users, total withdrawal, total deposits. Okay, now I'm actually going to since I made a deposit right now, so let me just actually go there. In deposits, pending deposit. Let me look for my own. Okay, as you can see, this is the amount I just deposited right now. As you can see, $100. This is the username. The status which is pending. They all just need to do is to click on approve, carry out this action. Transaction has been approved successfully. Click on OK. Then if I should go back to the user dashboard and let me reload this page, as you can see, the balance is already 4,000. The 1,000 I deposited actually created to the balance. That is all about the deposit part. So you can actually still use Ethereum or Bitcoin. Now for the cash out, this is actually the withdrawal part. For the withdrawal part, you can actually withdraw with different methods. Whether you do the bank account, Cash App, or Bitcoin. Use the total balance, your total investment, and your profit you have so far. Now, to deposit, you can actually deposit with any of these. So let me use Cash App for this. So you can see if you want to withdraw, so you can withdraw from your balance or you can withdraw from your profit or your bonus. So this profit is actually the one you get from your investment, and this is your balance which you have deposited. Okay, now to actually do this now, let's specify the amount you want to withdraw, which is let's say $100. Then you can put your target or your address. Just put anything right there and click on submit. Okay, now for actually withdraw, you have to they will send you an OTP to your email. Then once you put that OTP right here, click on submit, then the withdrawal will be placed successfully. Alright, that's all about the withdrawal part. Then this other part is the transaction history. This is what the history of your account will be for withdrawal and deposit. As you can see, transaction ID, type, account status, date, pending, completed. As you can see, it's all the transaction about deposit and withdrawal. Okay, now the next part I want to test is the trade plans. The trade plan is actually where all your plans will actually be. That's the investment plan, starter plan, VIP plan, so on and so forth. So to make an investment, you just have to click on a particular one. Let's say this, and input the amount which you actually want to deposit. Click on that. Let's say, okay, the minimum for this is actually 500. Maximum is 1,000. So let's deposit 5,000. 500. Let's click on submit. As you can see, investment successfully made. Automatically your investment have started. I should check right here. As you can see, $500 starter plan. As you can see, it's actually running. So this is start date and the end date. All that about the investment will be sent directly to your email. Okay. Active logs. So this is just where all your logs will be like anytime you log in. So all your logs will be saved right here. So anytime somebody actually log in your account, you have notification for that. Okay, that's all about this dashboard. This just this part is the NFT marketplace. It's just let's say news about NFT, just stuff about NFT right there. So for the next part, this click on this profile part, profile. So for your profile, you can change your name, your phone number, house address, then edit personal info. Okay, this way to click to upload your picture, then your address, your phone number, then choose your country right there, then password. So you can put your username and your password here, then you can change your password from this particular part too. Then for KYC verification, so this way you just upload your KYC, then driver's license, or then upload the ID there. Or if it's not there, you can just write anything. Maybe it's a school ID. You can just add that. Sorry, school ID. You add that, then you upload your school ID there, then you submit it. Okay, that's all about the user dashboard. Let's go straight to the admin. Okay, the first part, okay, we have covered this part already, which is the admin dashboard, where the total user, total withdrawal, and total deposits. The next part is the manage user. Okay, this is where all the user in the site will actually be. So you can actually fund the user. You can fund the particular user. Let me fund my account. I have 3,000. Let's take it to 6,000. Fund my profit to 3,000. Click on submit. Fund added successfully. I should go back to my user dashboard back. On my dashboard, as you can see 6,000. The money I just funded from my admin. So you can actually still edit a particular user if you want. Click on edit. So you can edit the person password, you can edit the person username, you can edit the person email. Next part is the deposit request. I covered that just now. So this is where all the deposit will actually be. So you can approve or delete a particular deposit. Then for the KYC request, pending KYC, this is where all the KYC of a particular user will be. So if a user actually submitted their KYC, it will appear right in this page. So you can approve a particular KYC. As you can see, KYC approved successfully. That is all about the KYC part. Then the withdrawal request, pending withdrawals. This is where all the withdrawals will actually be, all your withdrawals of a particular, all the users inside. So you can approve and also delete a particular withdrawal. You can see the name, the amount, status, then the date. Next part is the investment history. Investment history is all where all your history will be of all the users. So you can see the invest amount, the plan name, duration, total profit that we have, the start date, the end date. As you can see the status running. As you can actually still delete particular investment history. Now straight on to the plan. This way you can actually add plans. So put a plan name here, let's say gold. Increase percent, say increase by 2%. Duration should be 3 days. Minimum amount sure this will be $100. You can put whatever you want there. Then put maximum amount to be $300. Click on add package. You can see package has been added successfully. Go back to the user side and go back to trading plans. As you can see, look at the one we added, gold plan. So you make an investment and all that will be calculated for you. Okay. Now for the other part, which is the view plans. So you can actually see edit a particular plan. Let's say you want to change this plan name now. It should just be starter. Click on update that. Package updated successfully. Go back to the user side. Let's reload this page. As you can see the former name starter plan. You change that to starter. As you can see, it has changed to starter. So you can actually see update and delete a particular plan. Then for the site settings, this way you can change your site name, site URL, the Bitcoin address which user will be actually using to deposit, and the Ethereum address. Then your site logo will actually go here. So you can put wherever you want there. Account settings. Okay, this way to change the admin username and the admin email, then change your admin password. Then this other part to log out. Now as you can see, this is actually how the site actually look like. The next part now of this video is actually teach you how to actually set up this for yourself. Alright, the next part now, like I said, is actually show you how to actually set up this for yourself. Okay, what I just need to do is to log into your cPanel, your domain name you're hosting. Once you have purchased that, once you log in, to take you directly to this particular dashboard. The first thing you need to do is to actually have the file. When you have paid for that, it take you straight, then you can start uploading that. What you have to do now is to actually click on file manager. Just locate that wherever this you're using. Click on file manager. Okay, once you're in file manager, look for public underscore HTML. Click on this. Once you open it, normally when you are doing this, you just upload. Okay, let me upload it. Let me say something. Click on upload right here. Upload. Select files. Then this is the file which will be given to you once you have paid for that. Click on open. All you just have to do is to wait for it to get to green 100%. Then we can continue from there. Okay, as you can see, it has gotten to 100% and it can show green. Do not cancel this until you get to 100% and it can show green. And you can cancel this time right here. Then just reload this page. Then look for the zip file. Look at the zip file. Right click and click on extract file. Okay, that's finished extracting. You just have to close this. Okay. Okay, now you just have to look for the file which you extracted. This was mine, dash. Double click on it to open it. Normally, when you are doing this, you just select all and click on move. You should move everything into your public underscore HTML. But I will not be doing that because this is actually a test work. But if you are doing yours, actually move it. It should just be like this and click on move. I'm not going to move my own because this is actually a test work. I will leave mine inside a folder. So I'll just click on close. Once you have moved that, you should have a file like this inside your public underscore HTML. What you just have to do next is to actually set up the database connection so you can connect it together. To do that, go back to this particular part, then you search for D okay, search for DB. Okay, once you have searched for DB, click on this database wizard. Okay, you just have to create the name. Use any name you want. You can use DB, which stands for database, but I want to just use dash. Since that's the name of my folder, click on next. Okay, for the username, you can still use the same name. Does not really matter. Then password generate. Just copy this password. Click on I have copied this password. Use password. Click on create user. Okay, then allow all privileges. You can click on make changes or next step. Does not really matter. Click on anyone. Okay, so as you can see, your database has been created successfully. What you have to do now is to search for php this php click on that. Okay, now you just have to look for the database which you have created. In your home, you should not have anything like this here. So this is one I created, which is dash. Okay, then go back to this your file. You should see a SQL folder in there. Click on SQL folder. So we'll click that to download it. That's download. Then you come back here to this particular public php Click on import. Then browse. Then go to my downloads. Okay. As you can see, this is the database we just created. We just downloaded. Click on open. Then scroll down and click on import. Okay. While that is importing, let's actually go and those details we created, these details we created, the database and the password. Let me show you where to actually do that. Once you're in a file like this, you should look for a folder called config.php. This config folder, open the config folder and look for db.php, this particular one right here. Click on edit. All right. So for the database name, since I use the same name for mine, as you can see, my username and database name are the same thing. Whichever way you want to use, it will still work. My this db database name, put that right there. Username, the same name. Then the password, this is the password I created. Put that, then click on save. Okay, that has been saved, and your SQL are successfully imported. You should see all this in your own. So that has actually been connected. So the next part now is to actually set up the email so that user can actually be receiving notification if they make a deposit, they make a withdrawal, their investment, and all of that. To actually do that, you should go back to this part, click on tools, this particular one right there, click on email accounts. Okay, so you can actually create any email you want. It can be support mail, admin email, customer, whatever you want. So let me just use dash. You can just put support. So dash Just write dash there, then your domain name will be there. You can create a password, the default password. You can actually see click on generate password. Once you generate the password, you copy it. Okay, let me just copy that, generate password, put the username right there, which is dash. Click on create. Okay, as you can see, this is the email I created. Now to use this particular email to set that up, once you look for this config folder, the same place where the database is, and look for this functions.php, click on edit. Alright, so this will be your domain name. Telling from this email, this is my domain name, because with that it will be the username you created at your domain name. So that's my domain name. I'll just copy that and put it right as the host. Sorry, copy that, put right here as the host. As you can see. Then for the email, copy the full email. Then put that there. The email should go here too. The same thing for this part. Then this part will be your name of your site. Mine is dash, according to what I created. Dash. Then for the password, to be the password you generated from the email. Okay, this is my password. And what you just need to do after that, click on save. So that is all about setting email. The next part now is to actually set up the cron job, which so the investment can be, the user profit can be adding to the user automatically without you not doing anything. To set that up, you just need to open open this installation guide right here, this particular one. Can edit. Okay, this cron command right here, the cron should be this. Copy this full thing like this. Copy that. Once you're in this particular page, or let me go back here, search for cron job, this particular one. Click on that. Then come back here. Once you're in this page, once per 5 minutes, that, then just put the command right here and click on add cron. As you can see, cpanel successfully added the cron job. As you can see, the cron job is right here. So it will be your site URL. Don't forget that. I forgot to mention that. 1 minute, put it right here. This particular place will be your site URL. So it will be this particular one like this. That's your site URL. You put it right here and just click on add new cron. So that is all about this particular website. If you have any issues with that, you can still go through the installation guide. Everything is right here. And if you need any assistance, don't forget to ask. And that's all about this video.